Hello, future CAs. Today we are going to discuss what are all the new questions which are added in advanced accounting ICA study material which is released by our material guys. So this is relevant for you if you are writing your CA Inter May 26, September 26 or Jan 27 exams. With respect to this, let me give you a background. Let me give you a background over here. Our CA Institute, the first new syllabus came in May 2024. May 2024, and that book only you have, most of you will be having that. After that, in May 2025, they released another version of the study material by adding a few questions. And now, again for May 26, they have released another new version by adding a few questions. So most students will panic as to, sir, what are the new questions, sir? Should I buy a new book of CA Institute? Don't have to worry. Me, Karthik Manikonda, I have you covered, guys. This is the PDF. This is the PDF as per ICA study material. All the questions. Look at this. For example, what I have done from May 24 to May 25 version, what are the new questions added? Chapter wise is given over here. And from May 25 to May 26, what are the questions added? I have given the PDF over here. So for example, in framework for preparation and presentation of FS, from May 24 to May 25, they have added test your knowledge question number 11. In cash flow statement, they have added test your knowledge question number 12. Like this full list is given over here, guys. From May 25 to May 26, if you see, in applicability of AS, they have added test your knowledge question 12 and 13. So why is it important to learn these new questions? When a new question comes in the study material, it is new to the examiner. So examiner also has more chances of taking this and putting it in your exam paper, guys. Sir, I want this PDF, sir. Where can I get this? I will be sharing this PDF in my Telegram group. So you just have to join my Telegram group and it's more than sufficient. The link of the Telegram group is available in the description of this video. Apart from this, I should also give you two more updates. The first one is amendments. There are amendments which is already discussed by me in two topics. If you are writing your exam in May 26, September 26 or Jan 27, and these two amendments are in two topics. One is AS 22 and second is MSME accounting standard applicability. Both these I have separately discussed in a video for about 10 to 15 minutes explaining that amendment. That video link I will also be sharing it with you. Now, some students will be having May 24 study mat, some will have May 26 study mat, some will have May 20 this 526 study mat, guys. Sir, I want one book with all these questions. Let me show you my latest advanced accounts material, and I'm very happy with this book because it is one of my best works that we have done so far, guys. So let me show you that new material, guys. Let me show you one chapter in the new material. So this is how my new material looks, which is advanced accounts material comprising all the questions of the latest study mat from May 26 onwards. So now what is specialization in this book? In all the full material, whichever question I feel is very important, first I will mark it as HOTS, higher order thinking solutions or higher order thinking skills required questions. And in the question, whichever adjustment is important, for example, in internal reconstruction, reserves and surplus negative is an important key thing to note. We gave it in green. Like that in the entire question, whatever I feel is important adjustment, my library of adjustments, I put it as green. The court approved. Adjustment 2, adjustment 4 are difficult adjustments, so I have given it over here. Come down in the below adjustments 8 and 9, I feel are something important to note and unique. I have given them in green. So all the questions, all chapters including AS, key adjustments will be in green. Now coming to the solution, in the solution, whichever journal entry or whichever adjustment is again important, that will be marked in red. Over here, the freehold property one is little tricky, so it's in red. Rest of the solution, wherever that important balancing figure or working notes come, that will be coming in red, guys. Rest will be in black. Then come down. For example, those who studied internal reconstruction will know that balance sheet, you should use the word and reduced. So that is given to you in red. And then we have the entire balance sheet. The key items over here, you can see few things are given in red. And the best part of this book is in end of most questions, I give two things. One thing is known as common pitfall. What is common pitfall, sir? In that question, what is the common mistake that you will do? I will highlight it over here. And second, I also give something called CART, K-A-R-T, which is Karthik's ACE revision tip. This is nothing but, apart from the question and the mistakes you can do, some more additional tips to how to understand this question better. And suppose if the question is twisted in the exam, how can they twist and ask? That case also I will give here and I will explain that, guys. Like this, it will be there for the entire material, guys. And in the end of the material, guys, I have one more thing for every chapter ending. I have solved this in the class, that's why it's all written. Every chapter ending, you will have something called red mark zone, which is nothing but red flags to consider in internal reconstruction. Earlier, the pitfalls were mistakes you do in each question of this red flag zone are mistakes that you can do in the entire chapter. I have learnt in my experience that these are common 8 to 10 mistakes that students commit. I have given them over here, guys. So this entire material is available. I will show you where. Where is it available, guys? You just go to the CA Classroom website. Soft copy is available for you for free. So you just go to the free resources section and you can see the advanced accounts folder over here. Here, soft copy is uploaded for you for majority of the chapters. No, sir, I want to purchase this book. Then you can just go to the website, go to the books section, and the book section, if you go to CA Inter, you will find the advanced accounts book, guys. Advanced accounts, you will have the concept book, which is separately available over there. You have the MCQ case guide, which is separately available, and you also have the workout book, which I showed you now, which is separately available, or you can get the entire set for advanced accounts over here, guys. This is the latest color book that I have launched for entire advanced accounts, and like I said, you can find it fully in free resources. Look at the free resources, look at the samples. If you like, you can purchase for your respective attempts if at all you need them, guys. And the dispatch for this is going to start from March ending 2026. I don't know when you are watching this video. If you are watching this after March 2026, no need to worry about the dispatch, guys. That's about it. But end of the day, I hope you got the update with respect to the amendments and new questions in advanced accounts, and that is updated again, like I said, in our Telegram group. That's about it. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.